Welcome back to my channel Learn English with Alexa. In today's video, we are going to have a solid grasp of English phrases useful for airplane travel. This will help you to boost your confidence in real travel situations. So let's just quickly dive into the video. Excuse me, is this seat 15A? Yes, that's correct. Your seat is 15A. Can I put my bag in the overhead compartment? Of course. Feel free to store your bag in the overhead compartment. Is it okay to use electronic devices now? Yes, you can use electronic devices now. Please make sure they are in airplane mode. How long is the flight to New York? The flight duration to New York is approximately 5 hours and 30 minutes. Could I have a blanket, please? Certainly, I'll get you a blanket right away. Is there a meal served on this flight? Yes, we will serving a meal in a little while. When we are expected to land? We are scheduled to land at around 3:45 p.m. local time. Is there a restroom on the plane? Yes, there are restrooms located at the front and rear of the plane. Is there any in-flight entertainment? Yes, we have a variety of movies and TV shows available on the screen in front of you. Are we allowed to change seats? No, seat changes are generally not allowed once the flight has taken off. Will there be any announcements regarding connecting flights? Yes, we will make announcements about connecting flights closer to landing.